To upload a digital product on Gumroad. Start by going to gumroad.com and clicking Start Selling in the top right corner. If you haven't already, create a free account by entering an email and password. Then verify your email address. Once your account is set up, click on Create your first product and enter a name for your product, for example, a template. Select Digital Product and set a price, choosing your desired currency. You can then customize your product by adding a name, description, and URL. It's also recommended to upload a cover image, which should be at least 1280 × 720 pixels in size. To upload your product, scroll up and click on Content. Then select the files you want to sell or upload. You can choose any zip file or product. And once you've selected it, click Open to begin the upload process. Wait for the upload to complete. Then fill out the product page with details such as thumbnail, product information, and pricing. Click Save and Continue, and then Publish to make your product live. To preview your product, click on Preview to see how it will appear to customers. To receive payments, you'll need to add payment details, which can be done by going to Settings and then Payments. You can connect your bank account, PayPal, or Stripe. And note that Gumroad charges a 10% fee, plus additional fees. Once you've completed these steps, you'll be able to start selling digital products for free.